Hi there, students. Hock. In hock. I've got really mainly three different meanings for this word, completely different ones. The first one, to hock as a verb, or in hock. It means to put something as security. So my house is in hock to the bank. All of her jewellery is in hock with the pawnbroker. So if something is in hock, it's acting as security against a loan. So the company's assets are in hock to the lenders. Yeah, possessions that are in hock have been left as security for something. Normally security for a loan, a security with the pawnbroker. Yeah, to hock. So I went to the pawnbrokers and hocked my watch. I put my watch. The pawnbroker gave me some money, and I have to give him the money back. Otherwise, he can sell my watch. So the company was heavily in hock. I'm in hock to the tune of £50,000. Okay, so, well, in being in hock, he has a very good salary, but he's still deeply in hock because of his big mortgage and his reckless spending. Yeah, so he ends up deeply in hock, owing money. Then a hock. A hock can be it's a British word for German wines. Effectively, a Rhine wine. Hock actually comes from is a Riesling. It comes from Hockenheim and Main. The Hockenheim is the place where they made a Rhinish white wine, and in British English, a hock is a German wine or a Rhinish wine. It can be sparkling, it can be still. It from the Hockenheim region, or for all Rhine wines themselves. Okay, so German white wine, hock. And then finally, a hock is the lower joint of meat between the ankle and the knee of an animal. For example, a hock of pork. Yeah, it's the bit of meat. Normally, from the hock is actually the back leg. Let's see, our legs bend like this, but cows or horses, the leg bends in the other way. So the hock is the bottom joint of the back leg. And for example, a hock of pork hock, quite tasty. Maybe a little bit tough unless you find a way of cooking it slowly enough. Yeah, so it's not the bottom joint, it's the tarsal joint. Yeah, for a horse or a pig or a dog. Okay, and then meat from that part of the animal as well. So it's not the bottom joint, it's the one that comes down off the leg. So a hock, a hock of ham, very tasty. So let's see, to hock, in hock, to pawn, to put something up for security. A hock, a German white wine. Something from the Rhineland. And then finally, a hock, the tarsal joint of something like a pig or a dog or a horse. It's the joint, a joint in the back leg of the hock, the meat from there as well. So let's see. As to origin, the German wine, there was a word Hockermoor, an old-fashioned word, Hockermoor, meaning Rhine wine, but that's no longer used, and we now use the word hock. Then the hock of an animal comes from Proto-Germanic han has, talking about the hock of the animal itself. So it's the kneecap, very definitely. And then in hock probably comes from the Dutch word hock, a jail, a doghouse, a pen. Yeah, Middle English hucken, to sell at auction, a huckster. Huckster still exists. Okay, so to hock, to leave with a pawnbroker, to leave as security for a loan. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Hock.